Hi, welcome to Lex 2017. We are from Group 1, and today we are going to have our second virtual video, online video, and we are going to have our discussion video 4. So let us introduce ourselves first. I'm Ching Wan Si, my matrix number is 189240.
I'm Hing Hao Ling. My matrix number is 189185.
I'm Di Huyen. My matrix number is 1888060.
I'm Tai Li. My matrix number is 189457. So let's start our discussion.
Okay. So based on last time our discussion, right, we are going to have the crow as our second video, right? So let us discuss about this, how to record this video.
Okay, maybe we can start with the storyline first. For me, I suggest maybe we can make some addition on the storyline, that maybe we can add in 2 thirsty crow instead of 1, to maybe add in some other smaller value for the kids, and also because our requirement is to make a story of 5 to 8 minutes, so maybe we can make some addition to make the story more have more moral value, like a small addition. And my idea is to make 2 thirsty cloud looking for another 2 friends during he finding ideas on how to get the water. Yeah, my idea is like that.
And maybe for us, 1 narrator or 2 narrator you suggest?
We take turn, right?
Yeah, we
I think
take turns.
we can take turns to narrate for a story.
Oh, and then
Because
how about
because we don't have a cameraman already, so we distribute the workload for narration.
So how many people need to acting like that?
I think 1 people is enough because we are visual video, so it's quite hard quite hard for 2 people to get action. So I think the one people to become the action and other become the narrate.
I think this idea is better lah, because if 2 person acting together in the screen might be very very messy lah, and 2 person if the line not stable, then the acting will be not that smooth lah. Maybe 1 person will be enough. Yeah.
And difficult to divide the task, right? If 2 people acting.
So I think in the storyline we can add some dialogue. So So one people can become the crow to speak, and other 2 people is become the narrate, and 1 people become the action.
Yeah, this is a good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with this because you can see the different, more contrast lah. They can understand which one is the narration, which one is the dialogue.
I think this will be good also. Based for the storyline, right, the original one is just adding the pebbles into the water to get so the crowd can get the water, because the water level in initial is too low. So Huye, do you have any idea to make other trials, maybe we can add in other stuff before the final adding of pebbles to strengthen?
Maybe we can add some story into some story to extend the timeline, so we can let the crow to find another 2 method to other 2 method to try to drink the water, like he can asking help from his friend. So maybe it can extend the life story, so making the story become longer than before. But any idea do you have? You can share in here.
I think to extend for the video, and then the method also can, we can maybe like, the first one, we don't straight away to find the stones like pebbles and something, and then we, instead of stone first, we can add another materials, and that materials cannot be used, and then finally they thought the stones is a good idea, then they use the stones. So
I think
maybe
it's
we
a
can
good
add.
idea. I think through the material selection, I think the
Yeah.
kids can also learn from this.
Yeah.
They can with the raise the water level. Like they can also learn the lighter things or the heavier
Yeah.
things.
Things for the density, how to rise the water level like that.
Yeah, I think this idea quite good, and also it can like strengthen the values of do not give up easily lah, because our moral value is like to let the kids know that actually we do something, it's not like on the first trial we can success. So maybe from few trials we can show that actually after we try and try we can get can achieve what we want at the end lah. So also like make emphasis on, can be emphasis on the value of like perseverance, determination, that kind. Because if we just straight to the point, maybe the moral value is not that strong to shown lah. And then for me just now I suggest like two crowds together is my idea is to strengthen the values of like unity is strength, because two friends help each other and think together like that. So maybe we can discuss like who want to act and who want to narrate and who want to do the dialogue, maybe.
Maybe for the
Maybe.
acting crows, for those who can get the material easier, so the person become the crow, so and other become the narrate and others.
My idea is I think I can be the one acting lah, because from story one it's three of you acting right that time, because that time I was the narrator. So maybe we can change the role lah. So this time maybe I can be the one acting and three of you narrate lah. But three of you how to distribute, maybe you all can discuss.
I think just like Yeti say one. Huyet have suggest two narrator, right? And then another one is about giving dialogue, and then means like act as a crow, like what the crow talks and what they talking about like that.
It's a narrator and another one is on the dialogue of the crows.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I suggest for one people more can become the conclusion, that conclude all the story what the module tell from the story to the kid, so the kid can more understand what the story is talk about.
I think that's good lah. So maybe I can be the one conclude the moral value. So for narrate, because two people, right? Maybe Huye and Wan Si or Yiling, one become the two narrator.
Yeah, I can be the narrator.
I also can be the narrate.
Okay, so I think we just distribute like this, means Huye and Wan Si will be the narrator, then Yiling will be the one who talk about the dialogue, and then I will be the one who acting and also conclude the moral value. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's all from our discussion on the storyline and also the distribution of work. So I'm looking forward for our next storytelling video and also the reflection video. I think that's all from us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye.